Hey, what's going on, you guys? Check this out, man. Your boy back at it with another video, and today's video comes from a Zoom courtroom hearing, okay? We got a judge who's on a whole power trip, okay? Going off on some young brother who had the nerve to come to his courtroom over Zoom wearing his work clothes, y'all. He tried to explain it to him, but he wasn't having it, y'all. He was on a whole power trip, but good thing there was a young sister over there ready to check his baby nuts, son. She was checking them left and right. She did it like Nike, son. She was checking them shits like Nike. I can't make this up. Before you get into this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get into it.
I don't do sweats and I don't do t-shirts in my courtroom.
I'm at a
I don't care where you're at. You're in my courtroom right now. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, when you come to court, you dress for court. Because in my court, if you don't dress for court, I'm going to dress you. Which means I send you Wayne County Jail and they dress you. Now, do I have to do that?
No, sir.
That's bold because it's just court and we all at home.
I suggest you shut your mouth and not be involved in this case, or you're going to end up locked up.
That's fucked up, bitch.
The disrespect is real in this video, y'all. You had the nerve to have your high-vis caller slightly exposed on this Zoom courtroom TV screen. You had the nerve to give this judge nothing but the utmost respect while he was chewing you up and lashing out on you for no good reason? What? You're being safe at work? What? You're being responsible and making time and juggling multiple things at the same time, along with being a young black man within the court system. What? Oh my, yo, 20 years. 20 years. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Didn't that judge just threaten to send you to jail for not being dressed on a TV screen? You don't want to get hit by a tractor trailer at your job, so you show up on your screen with a hot 20 years. Throw them underneath the jail. You see how crazy that sounds, right? That's insane. That's insane. But yet that is the reality of a lot of black men in this country within the courtroom system. Now, I don't know what this man is in court for. I don't know who that lady is that was sticking up for that man. I don't know what the situation is, but I do know that there was no reason for that judge to go off on that man for the way he was dressed. He was being utmost respectful to that judge, and that judge was on a power trip, and it was gross. It was disgusting. Let me tell you something about power. Power is a drug that you can OD on, and he was ODing on power right there. He was having a power trip, tripping off of power, okay? Don't let that slip your mind. Don't let that go over your head, okay? You're gonna threaten this man's freedom because you don't like the way he's dressed. Let me tell you guys something. If that man was in a suit and tie, that judge would have figured out a way to get at this brother. And that's wrong. What law says that I have to be? We don't even dress up to go to church anymore. Like, who are you? If I don't dress up to go see God, how am I going to dress up to go see you? Who are you? This is the reason why we have such animosity towards the justice system, because of people like that. If he was a cop, he'd be one of those, y'all. If he was a cop, if that judge was a cop, he'd be one of those. And yeah, man, I'm calling it out straight up and down. Now, let's get to the sister, y'all. I'm going to be honest with you. I wouldn't have did it. I wouldn't have did it. It wouldn't have been worth it. I would have been pissed and I would have just swallowed. You got to pick your battles. But listen, shout out to you. She's a stronger person than me. I'm not bringing her down by any means. You feel what I'm saying? Like we kind of needed that right there. We kind of needed that. And this is why I'm making this video. We kind of needed that a little bit because that's why this went viral. You dig what I'm saying? Like, but instead of getting at her, no, we getting at the judge. I thought it was the black dude that's the judge, but it's the white dude in the corner. You feel what I'm saying? It's like, why is that necessary? There's no reason for you to act like that. Let's be kind to each other. The man's at work. He's in court. Like, what's the problem? Who the hell are these people for me to be dressing up for you anyway? Why do I need to dress up for you? Listen, man, if we can dress however we want and identify however we want in this world, then I identify as a person who don't want to get dressed up to go to court. You dig what I'm saying? Like, that should be the least of anybody's problem. Why are you concerned with how I look? Why are you belittling me based on my appearance? Like, nigga, ain't there some sort of argument that we can throw in there like that? Like, nah. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I don't dress up to go to church anymore. I'm showing up to church in jeans. I might throw on some slacks. Come on now. Stop it. Stop it. Now, you got to pick your battles. And that sister had a lack of control of emotion. And although she did, and I can say that, but I ain't even mad at it. Sometimes you got to lash out. Sometimes you can't control it. Sometimes it's worth it. You know, hopefully, you know, they didn't give her too much time in jail. I don't really know too much about this video. I don't really know the backstory, but if any of you guys know, put it in the comments. Yeah, man, Shorty went off. Shorty went off, and I'm not mad at it. You feel what I'm saying? Like, we're all frustrated with this system. We all had it up to here. You dig what I'm saying? Just treat me like a human being. Just talk to me like a human being. You see what I'm saying? If I'm being disrespectful, okay, do what you gotta do. But you obviously have the power over me. Relax. Cool your baby nutsack. You dig what I'm saying? Shout out to mama for checking them like Nike. You feel me? Anyways, man, listen, I gotta get out of here. Your boy getting to the chicken. Make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to breathe.
Breathe easy.
Louder. All right, maybe not that.